The REOLINK RLC-823S2 Security Camera boasts a powerful 16 times optical zoom and innovative three-dimensional zoom, allowing users to focus effortlessly on specific areas for detailed surveillance. With its stunning 4080-pixel ultra-high-definition view and dual night vision modes, this camera ensures clear and vivid monitoring both day and night. Its 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt features, combined with auto-tracking, offer comprehensive surveillance of large areas without missing any activity. The smart detection technology can accurately identify movements of people, vehicles, and various animals, significantly reducing false alarms and ensuring reliable security. Two-way talk capability allows users to communicate seamlessly with individuals near the camera, making it more interactive and versatile for home or business use. Power over Ethernet technology simplifies installation by using a single cable for video transmission and power supply, providing a neat setup and stable connection.